my channel, and today I am going to be making a turkey out of this pine cone. So the materials that I'm going to be using is, of course, a pine cone, a paintbrush, paints, and I have acrylic paints too, glitter, and then I'm going to use glue. It's almost glue, but it's a liquid one, not the glue stick one. And then I have these feathers. They're colorful. Googly eyes, small, medium, and large. And then we have is the head of the turkey, the nose, and the beak. So let's get started. Now it's time to paint. I'll use blue. So you guys, what color is your favorite colors? Maybe my favorite color might be the rainbow colors because they're all so pretty. But I also like the color from fall because it's pretty. It has orange, yellow, and other type of colors, which is really nice. Okay, I'm all done with blue. Now I'm going to do pink. But first I'm going to clean my brush. I hope this turkey turns out awesome because I want it to turn awesome, and then I'm going to put it in my room. Okay, so the next color I'm going to choose is yellow. I remember when I was 5 years old, I was scared of a turkey. That's crazy. Because I thought it was gonna eat me. Well, that was weird. Now I'm going to do silver. I'm all done. That was a challenge. Ooh, and it kind of looks like a Christmas tree. Now I'm going to add the glitter. Which glitter should I add? I know, I should add this one. It's a pretty color. It's gold. So now I just popped it open. So I am going to add all the glitter like this. And I'm all done with the gold. It looks pretty. Next up, I am going to choose another color. Which color should I choose? Maybe I should choose, blue. And I popped it open. That was a lot of glitter. Last color I'm going to use for the glitter is pink. I popped it open again. Now I'm going to wait for 5 minutes. That's going to be really boring. 5 minutes later. It's going to be my favorite part. I'm going to put in the feathers. So first up, I'm going to get a feather. And here's a glue in the cup. So then the point side, I'm gonna put it right here next to the glue, like this. And then I'm going to put it in these little middle centers, like this. So yeah, I'm gonna do more. How it turned out, it's really pretty with the feathers. Now I'm going to do the last part. I'm going to glue the googliest eyes in the head, the beak, and the waddle. And here it is. Now I'm going to add the glue so I can stick in the pine cone. So you need to add lots of glue so I can stick there. Going to add it in the center. And there it is. This is the final product. Look how pretty it is. With all of its beautiful feathers. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Bye.